How to create Google business profile. In my last video, I made a video of website or social media site that you can post a video or create a content, right? Without making content to sell your services or your product. And Google business profile was one of those sites that I mentioned. And I remember telling you guys that if you want to see that video on how to create a Google business profile, you should put it in the comment section or send me a DM. So I received a lot of DM that, coach, please make that video of how to create Google business profile. So today I've decided to make that video, right? But no, this video is going to be a little bit long. I think it's almost 9 to 10 minutes. It's a very detailed video on how to create Google business profile, right? And stay tuned, like this video, comment and share. Follow me for no reason. Business profile. Google business profile, right? Then it will open. This Google business profile get listed on Google, right? As you can see here, I have two businesses already on Google business profile. One of them is Nancy Mobile Massage Parlor. This one I opened it recently last week for one of my clients, right? And I have a second one, Digital Wealth Hub. This is my own personal Google business profile that I created, right? To show that this thing works. Now you click on Google business profile, the first link you see, you click on it. Then you click get started. This is where you put the name of your business. Before you come here, make sure you make a research and decide on the name you want to use. So let me use Digital Growth Hub, right? Digital Growth Hub. That's what I want to use. Digital Growth Hub. Then you now choose a category for that. What category should we choose for this? It's either business or e-commerce or finance. So let's choose services, right? Under services, let's see banking, financial. Just go around and choose the category that suits your name, right? Or the field you want to play in, right? Under financial, I choose financial institution or money transfer services. Let me just choose financial institution, right? Then you click next. Do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office? What Google is asking here is that do I want to add a location that customer will visit physically? You don't have a physical structure that I want customers to visit, like a physical address or walk-in store, right? I don't want to use a walk-in store. If you have a walk-in store, if you have a shop, you have a physical address, you have a spa, you have a restaurant that people can walk in and eat or contact you, you can click yes. But as for me, I don't have a physical address. All my businesses are online, so I will say no, right? Then click next. Then the next thing you need to do is they're asking you, where do you serve your customers, which is optional. Where do you serve your customers? Select areas that you serve your customer. Personally, I don't think I want to select areas. I'll click next because it's optional, right? Then the next aspect now is, what region is your business based in? My business based in Nigeria, so I will look for Nigeria. Nigeria is somewhere here. Here is it. This is Nigeria. Then you click next. Now, what contact details do you want to show to customers? What contact details do I want to show to customer, right? I want to use, let me use my other line, right? Let me add my number, right? I've added my number. Then the next thing is the website. Is optional, right? If you have a website, you can put your website link here, right? Then add chat options, text message, or you can, how do you want people to contact you? Text message or WhatsApp? You can use WhatsApp, right? Then you add the WhatsApp link. How do you add the WhatsApp link? So you add a WhatsApp link so that when once people contact you, click the WhatsApp, the Google Business will automatically direct them to your WhatsApp. So this is a typical example of WhatsApp link, right? So I will remove. If you want this link, how to get it, you can send me a DM, put it in the comment section, right? I will send it to you so that you will only edit and add your number, right? You only edit. The only thing you're editing is just moving the number and add your own number. So I will add my own number, right? 234, then my number, right? Then after you have added your number, you click next. Now, please enter your mailing address. I'm going to add my address, guys. I added my address, then click next. Now, the next thing for you to do is select a way to get verified. Which way do you want to get verified, right? Submit a business video, record a video of your business, right? Then let's look for other options. You can decide to verify later, but if you choose to verify later, just know that it will take a longer time for your business to be online. It's better you verify now, but because of this video is a tutorial, I will leave it to verify later. But know that you need to submit a business video. What is a business video? If you have a laptop, you video yourself operating your laptop, maybe in your dining or anywhere you are, right? And it just 2 to 3 4 seconds video. Then you send it. Then you can choose to record. You can see there's an instruction and record a video of your business. Show yourself operating the system and all that in the dining or wherever you find yourself comfortable. But I will choose to verify it later because this video I'm doing it for tutorial purposes, right? Then I'll verify later. Yes, I'm going to verify it later. Then choose the days that you open. If you are an online person, right, and you know that 24 hours Monday to Sunday you can answer calls, you can respond to inquiries, just on all these things here. You can, as for me, I will on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, except Sunday, or I can start even on Sunday, right? After you're on it, right, next thing we're going to do, we're going to add business hour, right? Let's add our business hours. 24 hours is okay. Leave it on 24 hours. Each of the day, 24 hours we are on, right? Today, 24 hours, right? Then you click next. Then add a description, right? So here you can go to ChatGPT, right? When you get to ChatGPT, just ask ChatGPT to give you the description for the business. ChatGPT will write the description for you. You just copy it, right? You copy it. Then after copying it, then you go back and paste it in this box, right? After you have done that, you click next. Now here is where you add your storefront photos. So you just click here, select photos, right? Pick the photo that is in your gallery, right? But because this video is tutorial, as I said earlier, I'm going to skip. I will do this later, right? Then after you have done that, I will also click skip. Then get a customer domain name for your website and a customer. No, I'm not going to do that. Skipped, right? Then your edit will be visible once you are verifying. You can see we are almost done. Click continue. Voila, we have created a Google business profile. Simple, right? Very easy. Some people charge a lot for this. Like this video, save it, follow me for no reason. And if you want to learn more of this type of tutorial and you want to make money online, you want to learn a skill, you want to have a digital product, you want to learn affiliate marketing, send me a DM, put it in the comment section and ask me, coach, I want to join your class. But take note, my class is not free. See you guys in the next video.